You guys want to? Oh! Oh shit! Oh crap! Alright, this is good enough. Better be good enough. Hell no, it's not good enough. What the heck? Damn it. What the heck? Oh my gosh. This is not drink. You'll know what it is right now. Struggle of a mukbanger. Ready? What is cracking, Superheroes, you guys? I am back for another video, you guys. I am so excited because today, what's cracking, Superheroes, you guys? I'm back for another video. So, you guys, I am so excited because today we got some raising freaking canes. Today we are going to talk about the struggle of a mukbanger. And you're like, Steven, how can you struggle doing mukbangs? All you do is eat on camera. There's a lot more than just eating on camera, y'all. Alright guys, so I'm so excited because today we got a huge thing of Raising Cane sauce. It's their big size. So if you guys know how big they're I think it's maybe 32 ounce. That's what this is. Alright, I can't smell, like, I hate stuff that smells like mayo. I can't stand the smell. I can stand the taste, but I can't stand the smell. We're honestly going to just create this whole thing right here into sauce. Because I don't want to contaminate this, so... Oh, wow. Okay. Got that done. Alright guys, let's pray really quick. Thank you, Lord Father God, Jesus Christ, and this food, Lord, please bless the God. Oh. So how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if you guys are new here, please subscribe. I make videos every single day. And I have a vlog channel and an ASMR channel. And I also have my drip seasoning company. The first sauce, or the first seasoning mix, is the ranch one. It's for sale now. We're almost sold out. Oh, if you guys didn't know, we're almost sold out. Crazy! I didn't think it was gonna sell out. I never thought it was even gonna sell. But we're almost sold out. Literally almost. I'm I'm not going to talk about the coronavirus in this video just because it's already been talked about in another video that are already recorded. So we'll save those bad vibes for another day. But we're just going to tear up this food, you guys. Talk about positive stuff, talk about good stuff. And that's it. Let's do this. Let's dig in. You could just honestly just do that right there, like that. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So that's ketchup. Try the ketchup. Shout out to Instagram Live. I love you guys, people who watch me on live. I have my Instagram, like my main Instagram, which I only post food videos on. And then I have my other Instagram that's private. I have like my life, my family, just that kind of stuff, personal life stuff. But my main Instagram that you see linked, that's just all food videos. So if you guys like the food videos, you guys can follow me there. I know this is bad. This is bad for you, but just makes things taste so good. Better than stevia. I mean, it's not better for you than stevia. Stevia is obviously better, but this is just dissolved a lot better. It has so much fake stuff inside though. So what am I going to talk about today? Because I feel a mukbanger. I don't know where I came up with that. So I'm like kind of tired of mukbanging. I'm not tired of mukbanging, it's just I'm really vlogging a lot. I have more to showcase in my life than you see me eating, you know? Craving Raising Cane's. Oh. If I match with you on Bumble? Tell me, hey, Steven, I like the videos. There was this girl that I matched with, and she's like, I think I told you this. We got to the point where we're talking on the phone, and she's probably watching this. Sorry. We got to a point where we're talking on the phone, and I asked her what she did for work or whatever. She told me what she did for work. I was like, oh, cool. So I told her what I did for work, and she's like, oh, I forgot. Oh no, I told her that I like worked like in because YouTube is owned by Google, so I told her that I work for Google, you know. But so it has nothing to do with YouTube. So I think I talked about something like this before, like a gold digger thing, like on a Wingstop video. But this isn't her. This isn't her. This is like a whole new girl. And I still talk to her. Like me and her are like cool and stuff. Like we hang out and stuff. So it wasn't like one of those bad ones, you know. But so I matched with her. We got to talk on the phone and stuff. I asked her what she did. She asked me what I did. And I was like, oh yeah, I make, I didn't say I make videos. I said, oh yeah, I work for Google. So what do you do? I like IT? Like IT, you know? I was like, oh yeah, it's something like that. I didn't mean to lie. I'm not a liar. But I was like, you know what? Like, I was just, yeah, because I don't want to tell her that I make videos. It's kind of weird. I don't ever tell people I make videos. Because I want them to know me, not Steven Sushi. Because if they go watch my videos, they're going to go see, oh, this is how he is, this is how he acts. But I'm like the complete opposite. And I want them to know me, not Steven Sushi. So, and then we were talking, whatever. She is like, oh yeah, so how did you get into making videos? And like, it was silent, awkward. It was awkward. I was like, are you still there? I'm like, I never told you I made videos. She's like, yes you did. I'm like, I never told you that I made YouTube videos. She's like, oh, I am so sorry. That must have been like another guy that I was talking to or something. I was like, oh crap. She knows who I am. Not that I'm like embarrassed or ashamed. I just like to get, I like to get to know a person first before I show them my videos, because they're gonna say, oh, this is who this is how you act, this is who you are, this is who you, no. And then she's like, she's like, yeah, you did. And it was kind of awkward from that. I was like, okay, you know what, just, if you know who I am, just tell me. And like, it took me a while to get it out of her. She's like, okay, yeah, I know who you are. I came across your videos, you were eating. I'm like, I knew it, I freaking knew it. I have a bite, I knew it. I knew it. Well, alright, cool. Kind of made me feel comfortable, because she still like wanted to like talk to me, even though she knew who I was. So then I was like, hey, well, why didn't you just DM me? Like, you could have just slid in my DMs. And she said, well, I didn't want to be that one. And I didn't, like, it would have been better if you just would have swiped yes or no. It's just like, you know, it's just gonna, well, I couldn't understand what she meant. She's a really pretty girl, but I was like, oh, you should have just told me, like who, like, you were. Whatever. So, and then after that, after we hung out, whatever, we talked for a while, whatever, and she's like, you know what, you're completely different. Like, I was like, how? She said, I don't know, you're just different. You don't talk, like, you're just very quiet, very chill, reserved. I'm like, yeah, like, when I'm alone in my room filming a video like this, I can act however I want. I can be cool and stuff, but like, when I'm around people, it's just, I don't know. I mean, I am like outgoing and stuff, but I guess it's just different when you make a YouTube video alone in your room. So the moral of the story was, if I match with you on Bumble, tell me right off the bat, hey Steven, I like your videos. I think you're a joke. I don't know what I'm gonna say about this. But yeah, guys, I think that I'm done. I'm honestly so full. I can't just sit here and talk about nothing. I have to set up all this stuff. We use boxes and a whole bunch of stuff that you don't even need just to set it up. If you know of a good setup, or if you know of a good stand I could use for my videos, let me know. I know it's not that hard. I know I'm asking kind of like a stupid question, but I'm telling you guys, you don't know how many setups I had to go through. I had videos where the little black table I had fell to the ground. It's just been crazy. But I'm like, why don't I vlog more? Why don't I vlog more? Like, I'm so fun. I'm so chill. I know what, like, it's just, I don't know why I don't vlog more. I should vlog more. If you guys want to, oh shit. Oh crap. Oh god, no. There goes my camera. The focus broke. My camera just broke.